All right, so to remove the cluster on a Lexus GS430, just grab here and here, and then just pull it back towards you. You can see there's 4 clip pins that hold it in place. One harness you'll disconnect. Now to get the actual cluster out, you're gonna have 4 bolts, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. For me, I had a check engine bulb this out, so before I could pass smog in California, it has to work and show it's receiving, blah, 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 blah. So I'll go ahead and remove this and then replace that bulb. Get the bolts out, just disconnect the harness that's on the right side of the cluster. And be careful when doing it because it's a little tight. Like I said, they fasten those to the back. So tugging on it, you don't want to tear any of these wires and fuck something up. So yeah, just disconnect the harness and the whole speedo cluster will come out. So when you buy cars from auction, motherfuckers are slick. They took out the check engine light bulb, which is fine because I fixed everything. So what I'm gonna do now, just to get it to pass smog, and then I'll buy the bulbs later, is I'm gonna swap out the oil one with the check engine light. Just so I can get all this done and cleared. But definitely recommend replacing all of them if yours are missing.